I tried putting it in one cage,
Oh, so smart.
and they all kind of went in after the same cage. Silly little birds. Of course, the babies aren't so sure about this. They don't like this little girl very much. Oops! See, I told you. You guys should be in your own cage. This is the downside of having an open cage all the time. You guys.
You're probably thinking you're such an idiot right now while you just randomly running around.
You do realize you have your own Millet in your own cage, right? But you're taking over their cage. Gesundheits! Did you get one up your nose? And then there's Puddles running around in circles down at the bottom.
My puddles.
Yep.
Yep, he's mine.
You guys are so goofy. Nuyash doesn't like Puddles very much. Whoops! Oh my goodness, you pulled it off! I'm gonna have to fix that. These things work better if you just push them right through the bars. You guys are so cute. Oh, now you're gonna leave them alone. Okay. That works. Bye, guys. Oh, you're supposed to get out of the cage. That's not your cage. He doesn't like you. Look at that little poof ball.